Hello everyone, welcome to the new video on digital support for you channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a screen recording with microphone on your Android phone. So first you have to swipe down and it will open the black panel. You have to extend it a bit and swipe one more time. Then you have to swipe to the left and this will put you on the second page of the panel. There you have to find a screen recording icon. After that you find it, you have to hold it for like 1 second and it is gonna open you the screen recording app. After you open the app, you have to go to the settings, and after that you have to find sound source, system sounds or microphone. Then you have to choose if you want the microphone or system sounds. If you want to talk in your video, you want to put microphone. If you don't want to talk and you want if you're recording a game or watching a YouTube video and you want the game or YouTube video to sound on the screen recording, you have to do system sounds. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.